tech enthusiasts everywhere. Today is May 22nd, and you're about to become just a little bit smarter by listening to your favorite Smarter Phones Now podcast. Here's what's happening in the World Wide Web of tech. Alright, folks, let's talk about something that's been making waves in the healthcare world, and guess who's at the center of it? You guessed it, Amazon. They've been making some serious moves into the medical space, and their One Medical service is really something to pay attention to. For those of you who might be thinking, wait, Amazon and healthcare. How does that even work? Well, that's what we're diving into today. One Medical is essentially a membership-based primary care service that Amazon acquired a while back. Think of it as a modern take on your doctor's office, but with a tech-savvy twist. It aims to make healthcare more convenient, accessible, and, dare I say, even enjoyable. Because, let's be real, doctor's visits usually aren't at the top of anyone's fun things to do list. So, how do you actually use this service? Let's break it down step by step, nice and easy. First things first, you're going to need to sign up for a One Medical membership. This isn't a free service, folks, it's a paid annual membership. You can usually do this right through the One Medical website or their mobile app. Just search for One Medical and you'll find it. They'll ask for your basic information, payment details, and so on, just like signing up for any other online service. Once you're a member, the real convenience kicks in. Your next step is to download the One Medical app. This app is pretty much your command center for all things One Medical. It's available on both iOS and Android, so no worries there. With the app in hand, you can then find a One Medical office near you. They have locations in many major cities across the US, so chances are there's one in your area. The app has a handy locator feature for this. Now, here's where the magic of convenience really shines: scheduling appointments. You can schedule appointments directly through the app or their website. And get this, they often have same-day or next-day appointments available, which is a huge breath of fresh air compared to waiting weeks for a traditional doctor's visit. You can choose in-person appointments or, and this is super cool, virtual appointments via video chat. That's right, you can talk to a doctor from the comfort of your own home, in your pajamas if you want. Before your appointment, whether it's in person or virtual, you'll be able to fill out any necessary forms digitally through the app. No more fiddling with clipboards and pens in the waiting room. This streamlines the whole process so your actual appointment can focus on your health, not paperwork. During your virtual appointment, it's pretty straightforward. You'll just log into the app at your scheduled time, and a secure video call will connect you with your provider. For in-person visits, well, it's like a regular doctor's office, but often with a more modern and welcoming feel. After your visit, your medical records and notes will be accessible through the app. You can view your visit summaries, lab results, and even message your care team directly with any follow-up questions. It really puts you in control of your health information. So, to recap, sign up for membership, download the app, find a location, schedule your appointment in person or virtual, fill out forms digitally, and then have your visit. It's all about making healthcare less of a chore and more of a seamless experience. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this podcast because it's awesome. Seriously, it is awesome. This article was produced with the help of AI and some very smart smartphones. This article is for entertainment purposes only.